Guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Be the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, the investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps YouTube out and promote the videos. Alright, so we going over the crypto watch list. So this is crypto talk, just basically going over my watch list of some of the cryptocurrencies I'm watching out in the market. If you're watching this on the live stream, make sure you drop in the chat some crypto you want me to add to the list, and I'll add them to the watch list. If you are watching on the replay, make sure you drop a comment down in the comment section down below with some crypto you want me to go over. So first on here we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin's currently at $44,917. Still overall looking bullish in my personal opinion. The price target that I have for them is going to be around 65K. That's kind of like one of the highs that they hit probably a year ago. On their 90-day, they're still up 10.65%. 30-day, they're up 45.94%. On the 1 hour, they're actually down 0.01%. But on 24-hour, they're still up 10%. So Bitcoin's still looking bullish in my personal opinion. Next, we have Ethereum, ticker sign ETH. They're at 3,000, around 3,030 price range. We can see on their 90-day, they're up 9.94%. On their 30-day, they're up 67.74%. On the 24-hour, they're up 0.46%. And on the 1 hour, they're only down 0.19%. So Ethereum's still looking bullish as well, in my personal opinion. Next, we have Cardano, which ticker sign ADA. They're looking bullish as well at $2.14 at the time of this stream. We can see that on their 90-day, they're up 18.57%. On the 30-day, they're up 90.53%. And on the 24-hour, they're up 9.61%. On the 1 hour, they're only down 0.73%. So I'd say overall, they're still bullish. In my personal opinion, I did see them dip down to like I think it was like 194 or 190 area. So Cardano did have a nice little entry point. I guess it was a couple of days ago where it went down to like 190 or 194, but it's jumped back up to the $2 range since then. So next on here we have XRP, which is at $1.16. On their 90-day, they're actually down 1.53%, but on their 30-day, they're up 108.89%. So nice little bullish increase for XRP in their 30-day. In their 7-day, they're up 15.10%, and in their 24-hour, they're up 5.15%. So in the 1 hour, they're only down 0.15%. So I don't think it really hurts them too much, especially since their 24-hour, they're up 5.15%. Next, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin still looking relatively bullish in my personal opinion. Would like to see it hit that 75-cent target price, which was their high right around the time Elon Musk went on SNL. So I saw it go. I think it was at like 75 cents is where it hit, but it's currently at 30 cents. So on their 30-day, they're up 77.69%, 7-day 16.60%, and then on the 24-hour, they're up 2.91%. 1 hour, they are down 1.12%. So overall, not too bad for Dogecoin. Now, some news did come out talking about Mark Cuban, who's been a early adopter of Dogecoin, saying that he only had about $500 worth of Dogecoin in his personal account. I don't know how true that was, but I thought he would have more Dogecoin, especially being one of the early adopters of Dogecoin. So that was kind of depressing to hear that he had so little amount of Dogecoin, being one of the early adopters, even allowing the Mavericks to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. So definitely interesting news overall, but it's been hovering around this 30 cent range for a couple of days now. Next we have ETC, which is Ethereum Classic. We can see they're at $64.23. Overall, still looking bullish on them. Their 30 days up 55.80%, 7 days up 6.58%. So on their 24-hour, they're up 2.09%, but 1 hour they're down 0.34%. So Ethereum Classic still looking bullish to me. Next we have VeChain, ticker sign VET. Their 30-day, they're up 98.39%. On the 7-day, they're up 10.56%. On 24 hour, they are up 3.08%. So VeChain looking very nice as well. Going to be looking to see how they perform as the week continues on, but they're only at 12 cents, so very affordable for VeChain. Next, we have Audius, ticker sign AUDIO for audio. They're currently at $3.06, so not too bad for them. On their 90-day, they're up 122.74%. 30-day, they're up 254.40%. 7-day, they're up 101.65%, and 24-hour, they're up 5.93%. So very bullish for audio. On their 24-hour, they're up 6.41%, and then on the 1 hour, they're up 0.77%. So this one has been continuing to climb as the week's gone on. This one was added on Monday, so make sure you go check out the Monday stream that I had where the original price point was at. So next on here, we have ticker sign IOTX for IOTEX. If we see that their 90-day is around 139.49%, their 30-day is 337.86%, so huge increase for them on their 30-day. On their 24-hour, they're up 3.22%, and on 1 hour down negative 0.45%. But overall, I think they're still on a little bullish increase, especially with this 337.86% increase. And they're currently only around 7 cents, so 7 cents per coin, not too bad. Next, we have Radium. So Radium, ticker sign RAY, is around $7.64. We can see that on their 90-day, they're up 21.11%. On their 30-day, they're 200.21%. And on their 7-day, they're up 86.21%. 24-hour, they're up 15.90%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 1.29%. Excuse me. Next, we have ticker sign CLV for Clover. Clover doesn't have a 90-day, but on their 30-day, they are up 39.06%. On their 7-day, they're up 27.48%. And on their 1 hour, they're up 0.56%, but down 3.07% on 24-hour. And that is for Clover. Next, we have MXC. For MXC, on their 30-day, on their 90-day, they're up 67.97%. On the 30-day, they're up 114.15%, and on the 7-day, they're up 1.18%. So on 24-hour, they're actually down 9.08%, and on their 1 hour, they're down 6.82%. So they're starting to set up a bearish downward trend for MXC. Next, we have Rari for Rarible. So Rari is the ticker, RARI. Very popular coin as far as NFTs are concerned. Definitely one to look into if you're not familiar with what Rari is. On their 90-day, they're up 63.11%. 30-day up 196.10%, and on the 7-day up 136.65%. On the 24-hour, they are actually down 3.72%. And on their 1 hour, they're down 0.84%. So maybe a little bearish downward trend starting out for Rari, but I think Rari is going to be here for a while. Definitely very versatile coin. I like what they do as far as the NFT world is concerned. Next, we have Einsteinium, ticker sign EMC2. They are on their 90-day down 76.08%, but on their 30-day they're up 159.64%. So definitely a huge increase on their 30-day. On their 7-day they are up 73.87%. On their 24-hour they're up 2.82%, and on their 1 hour they are down 0.53%. So overall, not too bad for Einsteinium EMC2. And then on here, the last one on this list, we have Presearch, ticker sign PRE. On their 90-day, they're up, they're down 16.50%. On their 30-day, they are up 82.67%. And then on their 7-day, they're up 43.13%. 24-hour, they're up 4.30%. And then on their 1 hour, they are down 0.57%. Yeah, Ikami Yeah, I've heard of that one actually. It should be on here. Ticker sign OMI. Let me add that to the watch list real quick. So on here, it's ranked number 127. They are having a little bearish downward trend on here, but if I'm not mistaken, AMI or Ecomi is part of the NFT world. They do make NFTs. They're partnering with a bunch of different companies, and I heard a lot of people talking about AMI, and I kind of did research way back when, but trying to refresh my memory. I think it's in the NFT world. I think what they're doing is pretty good overall, but it seems like their coin's not doing that good as well. So in their 24-hour, they're actually down. Let's go to their 1 month. Their 1 month doesn't seem too bad. They're fluctuating quite a bit, but definitely going to be an interesting project overall. Going to be looking to see if this one continue to grow. They're kind of at a medium point right here, so this is what I'd say is kind of a medium point. Um, their peaks are kind of right here at this level, 0.00327. So definitely that's a level to look at. But I added them to the watch list, so we'll be reviewing Ecomi or AMI as time goes on. Yeah, if it gets listed on Coinbase, yeah, if it gets listed on Coinbase, it'll definitely go crazy. A lot of stuff that gets listed on Coinbase. To me, I look at Coinbase as kind of like something getting listed on Robinhood, but for um, crypto. So um, I look at Coinbase as like the Robinhood of crypto, even though it's not the same. I know that's a terrible analogy to make, but when I talk to most people about getting involved into crypto, they tell me Coinbase. They're like, "Oh yeah, I got some a Coinbase account." So I'm like, "Okay," um, but we'll see how it performs overall. I think it's going to be a very interesting project, and I would like to see where it goes over time. So next on here, I want to talk about FEG, Fide Gorilla, and that is for FEG. So FEG token is ranked number 2,812 on here. We can see that they are up 1.68%. So FEG, Feed Every Gorilla, is up 1.68% or 1.55% now. Um, if we put $1 into FEG, this is how many FEG you'll have. So just bear that in mind. A dollar can take you a long way. Bear in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to or not to invest into any of these crypto. Just telling you which ones are out there and on my watch list. So good luck to everybody out there who's trading. If you have any other ones you want me to look at, make sure you drop them down below in the chat or in the comment. So to go over the last two on here, next up is Baby Dogecoin, rank number 2,657. They are actually down 4.89%. I haven't really seen any tweets or anything about Baby Doge. So definitely gonna be looking at that one. We can see if you put a dollar into them, you'll have this many, but definitely on a little bearish downward trend for Baby Doge. Lastly on here we have Keisha Inu. I posted a Keisha Inu video probably 2 hours ago, so make sure you guys go check that out. Somebody was like, "Oh, Keisha Inu is a rug pull." I don't think so. They put a lot of work into their marketing, so I don't think that they're trying to be a rug pull. 2,723 is their rank, and they're up 2.51%. So just when you hear people say stuff like, "Oh, this coin's a rug pull," this, some of that is FUD. Some people out there spreading FUD. They may have lost money on the coin, so they want people, to not buy the coin, or it may be the opposite. Some people, just spread FUD because they're like, "Oh, well, I think it's going to be a really good coin, so I don't want to tell anybody about it being good, so I'm going to spread bad news about it." I've seen both ways. Just very interesting, the whole crypto market and how people market things. So you said Ro. Let's see if I can get it based on this spelling. RHOD. I'm assuming it's this one. This is the closest to the spelling, ticker sign ROH, but the charts aren't available on this one, so don't really know any information on it, because this one's not showing it on my chart. Let me see if they have it on Coin Market Cap. RORHO. Is it this? Is it XRC? Is that the ticker for it? Because if you know the ticker for it, it'll definitely help me find it a lot easier. But we're gonna assume that it's this one. Don't know why they are down so far. Down today, down 36.68%. But let me know if this is the right one or if this is the wrong one. They are ranked number 1,577 on CoinMarketCap. Don't really know much about them. They are pretty pricey though, as far as all coins are concerned. I mean, I've seen a lot of them that are under $1, so I know a lot of people are really interested in those. But seeing one that's above $1, I would have to say it's pretty pricey. They did shoot all the way up to looks like $33 here. Just one thing, I'll have to do a little more research on them before I see what's going on, and I'd have to read their white paper. So if you're new to crypto, read their white papers. It basically explains how the crypto works and their plan for the future. So any crypto that's out there, make sure you read their white papers. Also, if this is the right one, make sure you put a thumbs up in the comment section or in the chat to let me know if this is the right one or not, and I'll try to go do some more research on this one. This was kind of the closest to the spelling that you had on there. I think this is maybe what you're talking about, but when I looked on the other one, it popped up a completely different coin. So if you get the ticker sign for me, just drop it down there in the chat or in the comment. I'll try to add it to the watch list or add it to the next stream. So good luck to Tanvir, to you out there trading. Hope you're doing good this week, and to everybody else who's watching. Hope you all have a great week of trading. Hope everybody's able to lock in some profits this week. That's the goal of trading. Crypto market is definitely fluctuating quite a bit. You said Ray. Okay. I think I have Ray already on my watch list. So let me see. Yeah, I have Ray on my watch list already. So this is it. Radium. So Radium is at $7 and 49 cents, and then they're actually up on their 90-day, their 30-day. They're up 200%. On their 7-day, they're up 86%, and on 24-hour, they're up 12.96%. So we can click on them. Don't have charts. Okay, so whenever they fix the charts on there, we'll see if we can look into that one. Maybe they'll have it on here on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, they got it on here. So let's look into Radium. So Radium, we can see they have quite a bit of fluctuation. Looks like they're starting to go back up. They had an all-time high of around $15.88, but overall still looking bullish on this one. I like this chart. I like the way it's starting to go back up. I will have to go read the white papers because there's going to be some great information. They're ranked number 226, so up there pretty high overall as far as coins are concerned. So their rank is really high, and the number of people that have them on the watch list is pretty low. So this coin may have a lot of potential to continue to go up as time goes on. It's already on the watch list, so make sure you all write down the watch list when you see it. But overall, it's up 7.41%. A new high we'll have to test is 1588. So we'll have to see if it can reach 1588 in some time in the near future. But we'll see how it goes on over time. Definitely looks like it's having a little bullish run up overall. So definitely going to be looking at this one. It is an Ethereum based coin based on this. If you see this where it says contract Ethereum, it is an Ethereum based coin. So however you get your hands on Radium, you may have to have so you may have to have some Ethereum in your wallet in order to convert over to get your hands on Radium. So if these coins are on like major exchanges where you can trade fiat for the coin, then you usually have to have whatever the coin is based on. So if it's a Binance coin, you have to have Binance Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain in your wallet or BSC in your wallet, and then convert that over, and then you can get that coin. So like if this one is not available on another exchange, like on Coinbase, where you can trade fiat for that coin, you'll have to go and link your wallet, which is showing right here in MetaMask. MetaMask is always the way to go. Trade your MetaMask wallet over, put some Ethereum in it, and then convert over that Ethereum to some Radium. So just bear that in mind. That may be a process that you'll have to do, and you'll have to pay gas fees and stuff like that to do that process. So just bear that in mind when doing your conversions. Just make sure that you are staying safe out there while doing the transaction process. So good luck to everybody out there trading. Hope you all have a great rest of the week. I did post I think a short about mining or talking about mining, but I will have a potential mining video coming out here pretty soon. Hopefully everybody was able to see the AMC video. I know some people asked about AMC. Did a take on that. If there are any other crypto or stock videos you all would want me to do, make sure you drop them down below. I'll take everybody's suggestions and try to make videos around that, just to give you all some information and my point of view of where I think they're going to go. Make sure that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Did I post any? Yeah, I posted penny stock videos on the channel as well. I have to put some more on there, but I did post some penny stock shorts as well as some penny stock videos. So make sure you go check those out on the channel. There will be more coming up here pretty soon, so hopefully you all like those. Um, Definitely, a lot of people requested those, so I'll be making more of those pretty soon. But good luck to everybody out there trading, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.